All right, good morning, everyone. It is Zach Kimball here, and it is raining in Texas. As you can see, I have some sweet hair. My littlest decided that she loves to brush my hair. I've always had really short haircuts forever and a day, and so now that I have longer hair, it's kind of fun, and I just let them kind of mess with it. So I let her dive in and style. She's my stylist today. A lot of these vlogs that people do are beauty vlogs, and they talk about what makeup they're wearing. So I'm wearing no lipstick, no lip gloss, no makeup, no lotion, just deodorant and some hair product from the day before. I'm off to get my back adjusted again. When I told those two stories the other day, it was actually I was headed to the chiropractor. My back's pretty messed up. I'm that typical guy with the commute and watching or looking at a monitor all day long. So again, I'm stopping. I don't know what to say if I can't say so. So I am trying to get it fixed at this point. Like, I've let it go too long. I'm gonna start running again because I need to, and start working out. But I need my back fixed first so that I don't screw anything else up. I'm amazed. I stayed up late last night editing the Nada's video I posted yesterday, or I guess this morning. And I had been texting Mike, and I was hoping he wasn't, Mike Butterworth, one of the lead singers of the Nadas, and I was texting him and Jason Walsmith about 1:30 in the morning, and I was like, I hope they're not sleeping, because if it was an off night, this is like the only time I get sleep, and I get in trouble with my wife all the time for texting people late at night because I don't sleep, but everyone else does. And so he texted me back, not during the show, but he had a show in Chicago with Hello Dave. If you've ever seen Hello Dave, they're awesome as well. Love those guys. They've got this song where everyone goes, woo hoo, woo hoo, during the song. And it's just when you have a few beers and you're around all your friends, it's just like a warm hug, I swear. It's just one of those things. So anyway, they were there filming the show. The live stream wouldn't work. It's kind of when everyone else is sleeping, I can watch some of that stuff. And so I was going to watch it last night and just watch the Nadas live, since I couldn't be in Chicago with them. But it didn't work. But then where I was going with this, at 7 in the morning, I'm up because we had a kid sick, and 6:45 anyway. About 7:15, Butterworth texted me back. He's like, yeah, do what you need to do. So I'd asked him a few questions. So that was kind of cool. I'm like, man, does this guy ever sleep? But I think he sleeps while he travels. So he knew he probably had to get up early to get back to Des Moines or something like that from Chicago. So anyway, more Nadas talk, but it's what's always playing in my car, so you have to deal with it. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. I know those guys, so I can't really use it. I think you can use like 4 seconds of a song, maybe, and not get in trouble. I don't know. I don't want YouTube mad at me. Well, tomorrow the game plan is to meet up with Peter, a guy I work with. He had this amazing idea for a show, or a series. Not a show, more like a YouTube series that would relate to where we work as well from our 9 to 5. And so I think it's awesome. I think we have to figure out a way to pitch it to corporate, and that's kind of what we're going to do tomorrow. I think we're going to try to find a way to get together. I did a little research. That's one of the reasons I was up last night. I was doing a little research, trying to help find some of that stuff to be able to talk about it, kind of some ideas and things. And so that's the game plan. That's what we're doing tomorrow. Why are girls in Jeeps always hot? I don't know. I'm just a 40-year-old dude with some crazy hair and a red oar in my car. Did you guys see that? I'll explain why in a minute. Alright, I gotta fix the hair. So, you may ask yourself, why do I have a red oar and a car seat? Well, the car seat, obviously, I've got kids, being safe. The oar, I don't know exactly. It was at work. We're moving offices. Everyone's throwing everything away. They have this beautiful red oar. couldn't throw it away. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. I think I'll put it in my office at some point and hang it in there because it's cool, but I have a red ore now in my car. So I don't know if you can see the rain up here, but kind of a gloomy day in Texas. But I think today's the day all over the country is getting like slammed with bad weather. So I'm not going to complain about a little rain and 60 degrees. Yeah. All right, so I made it here. I'm going to get my back cracked and then see you guys in a bit. They were able to crack my back really good, and a lot of relief came right then. And then they do like a 10-minute massage included in this deal. And the lady said like I had like one of the tightest back muscles they've seen, and so she worked those out. And so I'm feeling really good right now. So glad I came. She said drink lots of water. Forget the pain, forget the times I thought I was the one going insane. Forget the start, forget the end. All right, it is Saturday, and we are going to have a fun making some lunch with my two helpers here. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
We are going. Line them up.
And I fall in love with you. I fall in love with you. There's nothing I can do.
1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10.
You're making all the moves. You're making all the moves. I forget all the rules. I forget all the rules. And I fall in love with you. There's nothing I can do.
Chilly out. Here in Texas, like I told you, it is rainy today, so it's kind of been a lazy day. Been upstairs in my office cleaning out boxes and things and just relaxing now. I'm grilling out on the grill and having some pork chops. Using a headlamp because it is dark out.
There's nothing I can do.
So I cooked the meal you saw there. It was phenomenal. We put a rub on the, it was like Stubbs, I think the guy's Stubbs brand barbecue. We put a rub on first, let it sit for about half hour, and then grilled it up to perfection. And then some of them a little more well done for me and some not. I know I eat well done stuff. People get annoyed with that, but I like it, so tough luck. I cooked it, I like it. Then at the end, I put on some barbecue sauce, let it cook just a little bit, kind of sink that in, and then it was just phenomenal. Had some mashed potatoes, and then what else? Oh, zucchini and squash mixed up on the grill with some olive oil and sea salt and pepper. Delicious. Phenomenal meal. Love it. I'm headed to get my hair cut, try to take care of, do some of this, fix some of this, and then back in time for the kids to go to bed, more than likely. So that's the game plan.
There's nothing I can do.
I'm gonna be a 16-year-old here, and more time.
Forget the tears, forget the pain, forget the times I thought I was the one going insane. Forget the start, forget the end, forget when I said I would never do it again. You're making all the moves, you're making all the moves.
I'm gonna put the kids to bed, hang out with the wife, have a couple Red Bull vodkas, because I still drink like a 21-year-old, and do some editing probably. Be good, have fun. Actually, I think I just flip-flop that. Have fun and be good.
There's nothing I can do.